Boy, here's one to take a look at, especially if you're a Camaro third generation fan. 1989 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z T-top car with the TPI 350 underneath the hood. So get the big dog underneath there. Of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Best part about this car, this thing's like a time capsule. A little over 13,000 miles, and it shows. As you can see, the front fascia, how clean this is. Beautiful white with the gray and yellow highlight combination. Car has been very well taken care of, low mile, so you'd expect it to be in this nice a shape. T-top car to boot. Now it does have a 4-speed automatic transmission. I should say it has a 700R4 with overdrive, G80 locking diff. So nicely equipped. The wheels, immaculate. You don't have a bunch of curb rash, and we'll go around each one so you can take a look at them. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this thing, check out the engine bay, check out the interior, take a look at it, because unless you see it, you may not believe how nice this car is. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you're going to find the still pictures. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, feel free to call us to 507-386-1726. We'd be happy to answer any questions for you. Give this car the once around with you on the phone and sure answer any questions you may have. Interior, gray vinyl cloth combination, and like new. I mean, just look at the condition of those seats. The rear seats, it doesn't look like anybody has sat in. Dash not cracked. There's your automatic with overdrive, remote release for the hatch, CD, AM, FM cassette player with equalizer. Again, AC works fine, blows cold, power windows, power locks, power mirror, all the gauges work. And then take a look at the condition of the gaskets up here in the T-tops, and those are original. They're pliable, not cracked, not full of grime, just the way you'd want to buy one of these. Now the T-tops I took out, I do have them sitting here. They do come with the bag that you put both of them in, and then that will strap in the rear of this. There is a security cover that goes over that rear hatch too. It also has smoked rear glass, FYI. The other thing you see sitting by the T-top covers, that's actually a smoked rear light lens cover. So be careful depending on which state you're in. Those will just be in the trunk of this and the compartment back there. Put them on if you'd like. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can get this car transported to where you're located at. And of course, it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So ask your sales consultant about that when you call in an email. Take a look at this other rear wheel. Again, no rash from the curbs, rubbing up, getting too close, anything like that. All right, take a look up and down this car, both sides. Free of nicks, dings, scratches. I really haven't found much for imperfections on it at all. Maybe a tiny little nick in the front from a little pebble or something like that, but just extremely clean car. And again, check out the still pictures. Zoom in on them, check them out, look at them on our website. Check out the underside of this car. They can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. This is the number you can reach us at. Now again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. And it shows because this is original paint. You don't see overspray. Has a nice gloss to it. Nice finish. These third generation Camaros started making a move about 2, 3, 4 years ago when it came to the values of them. And I tell you what, they're slowly moving upwards. And it's cars like this that are going to be something down the road from now. Starting to get people, had these when they were in high school, want them again, got the means to buy them now. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. There's your miles, 13,361. All the gauges working, tack works. Like I said, had the AC blowing cold, radio works, power windows, whole shebang. Look at how nice a shape that armrest is in. How this seat is worn. High mile ones start to get cracked down here. Obviously power seat, driver's side, everything's working. Again, the rear seats, let's flip this forward a second. Rear seats don't appear that they've hardly been sat in. Wow. I'm going to slip around to the back so you can hear this run like a stock IROC Z TPI 350. Tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. We'll pop that hood. Why don't you check out how nice this engine bay looks. Alright, take a look at that hood liner. Wow, how clean that is. I did go on the doors. See these VIN stickers on the doors? The rear deck will have them. Both doors will have them. I did shoot those up in the pictures too. There it is. The big dog and the IROC Z's. CPI 350 tuned port injection. And again, look at how nice a shape this is. Wow. There you go. If you're looking for a nice third gen Camaro, here it is. Let alone beautiful shape, low miles, T-top car, 350 IROC. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.